Hello. So my name is Anne McConnell, and I'm going to show you a French dance because I come from Quebec and I can speak French. So I'll tell you a little bit about who I am. I teach at Sherbrooke University, student teachers, and I teach, one of the courses that I teach is a course on teaching dance to children. What's special about this course is that with the dance, circle dance that I do, I teach student teachers how to do math, language, science, geography, history, ethics, religious studies, many, many subjects using dance. So here's a dance that I'd like to teach you. It's called Dance Little Friar in English, but in French it's Ainsi mon moine voulait danser. And what's special about this dance, if we go back here, is that it's a traditional French-Canadian song that could have come from France. And it talks about a little friar, but in French the word monk and this kind of top that it's called a German top that kind of turns with a rope. It's the same word. So it's the story of if my top could dance, I'd show him how to do all kinds of things to be like a monk. But it also means if the monk could dance, I'd be able to give him all sorts of things. And there's all kinds of references and double meanings. So here are the words to it. I can send this to you through Zoom if you want, or email, and the French translation to the dance. And there's things that they would give. They would give a monk belt to the top. They'd give a hood. They'd give him a special frock and prayer beads, and also a special psalm book. So what's interesting about this is that we can talk about religion, but we can also talk about the special verb tense, because all the way through it talks about present imperfect. So it's interesting that a dance can be in a certain tense and a special tense that we work in French with. So I think I'll teach you the dance now. And